down, Thomas. These cows aren't going to haul themselves to McColl's farm. Let's go. Uh-oh. Wait! What is it? I can't steam, and I lost my peak because I'm out of water. I'm a diesel, so I don't need water. Catch me if you can. That's it. Sorry, cows. Why we gotta hurry? Rusty rail spikes. I have the hic-ups.
Hey, Thomas. Is there like a really big chicken around here?
No, it's me. I took on water too fast, and I think I got the hiccups so bad I can't do the delivery.
Oh, I hear steam blasts help. Like this.
That might have worked.
The cows have hiccups? Oh, that's hilarious. Ugh. Uh-oh.
A good surprise always cures the hiccups.
It worked.
It's a good thing we diesels never get hiccups. I guess we do get hiccups.